Hello everyone, welcome to part 12 of Advanced Ecom series in Laravel 7. We have recently upgraded our Laravel 6 to Laravel 7 in past to past video. You can see that video. If you skip that video, then you can watch that video and can upgrade your project as well. Okay, so in this video, we are going to continue working on update password form. In last video, we have seen that we able to check the current admin password. See, if we will type something, it is coming here, current password is incorrect. Okay, and if we are going to type correct password 12345 6, then it will show us current password is correct. Okay, so now we want to upgrade the password. We want to click on submit button and can upgrade the password. Okay, and on the click of the button on the submission of this form, we will again check the current password is correct or not, and we will also check that new password and confirm password is matching. Only then we are going to upgrade the current password to the new password. Okay, and in this form we are not going to upgrade admin name, and there are other things as well, like mobile. We can add other columns as well. Might be later on we are going to add other columns, other admin related columns, but right now we are going to skip admin name, because this one we will make another form for updating admin name and admin mobile and other things. Okay, so we can simply skip this admin name, and I will open this page once again, admin settings update file, admin underscore settings update file. Okay, and I'm going to upgrade this one, and I'm going to okay, so I will disable this one. So admin email and admin type we are going to show that are read only, and also I am going to display here like welcome admin or something, so that, and also we can share here that whatever admin going to login, we can able to show that admin here as well. Okay, so that thing also I'm going to do. I am going to open admin sidebar here, and here you can see the name is coming here. I'm going to upgrade this name, and you can see the name we can fetch straight away from admin guard. Okay, so we already know that we can get the details of from admin guard, like auth guard admin. Okay, and then after that user, this we can use anywhere we want, and after that it will come as name. Okay, so admin name will come here. I'm going to see here, you can see admin. We can do one thing, we can, if you want to use UC word, so that it will show as capital letter initially, like this. Okay, so here you can give the name of the admin as well, like Amit Gupta. You can give any name to the admin, like whenever we will create a sub admin, we will also do sub admin functionality later on, and at that time you are going to assign this admin panel to some other users, like number of users. When you are going to provide this project to client, means client can hire some person, like one is managing orders, one is managing products, one is managing users. Okay, so admin can create sub admins, and sub admin he can going to he will provide to one person, like orders he will provide to one person. That person name is something like John. So the admin sub admin name, he is going to create John, so John will come here. Okay, so like this admin can create many sub admins. That functionality we are going to do later on. So at that time you can show the admin name here, and also image here. Okay, so we will also show admin image. Okay, in later videos we will also show admin image. Okay, so that form we are going to do separately. Okay, so now we can also show here welcome that person. Okay, and we can also show here settings and other pages. Here we can also show at this part left sidebar also, like we can show here settings, and after that update password, and after that update admin details, okay, like this. Okay, so that thing we will see later on. Right now we are going to continue working on password form, and we want to finish this password form functionality in this video. Okay, so now we are going to submit this password, but before we can simply give here HTML5 validation. Okay, you can simply give here simple required validation for all these three, so that user must fill all these three. Otherwise you can also add Laravel validation that we have done with admin login form. Okay, but we are going to work on update password form. Okay, so this one, and also I'm going to make it identical to that one. I'm going to check in web.php. Here we are using check current password. I am going to use here update current password, like this. Okay, so here I am going to create one route. Here I am going to give it update current password, and here update current password, like this. Okay, so I'm going to create this function here in AdminController. Here I am going to create this function. After this one I'm going to create public function update current password. Whatever data is coming, we will get the data here. Okay, so here I am going to first of all check in post method that the data is coming in post form. So I will add condition here, $request is method post, then we are going to submit. Okay, so here once again we have done there, we can check like this, $request all. Here we will get, and here I'm going to get the data first I'm going to check the data is coming fine, and this time it will come in post method. Last time it is coming in ajax when we are checking the current password. Okay, so here I'm going to check out update current password. I'm going to try here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Suppose I'm going to update it to 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Here submit. Here you can see data is coming 5. See, current password is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and new password is 1 2 3 4 5, and confirm password is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so data is coming fine. So now I will use first of all the same check like we have used to check the current password is correct or not. Okay, the same check we are going to use. So I will simply copy this same check here. Like if data is true, only then we can continue. Otherwise we will add else condition here. Okay, so this one I can comment. Okay, so here in this condition, see, we are checking that if current password that has been sent by the user, that user entered, and the password that is stored in your database, okay, that we are getting from authguard admin. Okay, so both we are comparing, and if that both are matching, then we are going to do this thing, as we are going to send back the user. Okay, so if the password is not correct, suppose if the incorrect password entered, then we are going to send back the user session flash. I am going to add session flash for the error message. Here error message like we have done in admin login form, and here I am going to add the message like your current password is incorrect. Okay, so this error message will go, and after this I am going to return back the user, return redirect back. sorry. Okay, so now I'm going to check, but here I want to add the check that div also, that error and success div, same like in admin login we have created that div. You can see this kind of div for error message. I'm going to copy and paste there in admin setting. Here I'm going to paste it like this. Okay, so I'm going to check now, and I want to go back here like this, and will refresh, and here I will add something wrong password, 1234 1234. Now our current password is incorrect. I'm going to submit the incorrect password, and here you can see your current password is incorrect is coming. Okay, so that condition is fine. You can add something like style here, style margin top something 10 pixel, so that it will look fine. Okay, so now I'm going to submit once again. Anything I can submit, anything, no check I'm doing. Okay, so you can see your current password is incorrect is coming. Okay, so that one condition is fine. Now if in case our current password is correct, okay, then we will get in here. Okay, so here we can also comment, because in after some time we must know, every time if you come to this function you must know that what this condition is doing. So it is always good idea if you will add the comment. We can add the comment here, check if current password is correct or not is correct. Okay, and now we are going to add, if the current password is correct, then we are moved in, and we are going to add one more condition here, condition of matching that new password with the confirm password. Okay, so we can add this condition here. We can also add this condition in form itself, but here we want to add this condition in function, in Laravel function. Okay, so we can also add here. So I'm going to add here, check if current password and check if new and confirm, check if new and confirm password is matching. Okay, so here I am going to add another condition, simple condition we are going to add, if $data new password that we are getting, this is equal to is matching with the what name we have given, confirm password. Okay, password. Okay, then we are going to update the password. Okay, else we will add that condition again. Okay, we will redirect back the user with some error message. Here we are going to redirect back the user. Okay, like this. Here we can give error message like password, new password, and retype password not match. Okay, new password is not match with like this. Okay, so now we are going to try. Okay, now see, I'm going to add the correct current password, but our password will not match with, new password is not match with confirm password. Okay, I'm submitting. Here it error message is coming. New password and confirm password not match. Okay, so the user can enter the correct new password and confirm password. Okay, so this is the another condition that we have added. Error message you can add of your own wording. It's your choice that which wording you want to add. But if new password and confirm password is matching, then uh, we are going to update the new password. Okay, for admin. So here I will simply add the query to update the admin password. See, admin model is there, and we are going to compare id. We are already getting the id from auth admin guard. Okay, this one, auth here guard admin. Okay, and here user, and here id. Okay, we are already getting the id. We are already getting all the details, so we can get the id and can match the id. You can also get that match the email as well, because the email also unique. Okay, so after matching, you can simply update the password. Okay, so here we can give it like this. Password is, now we need to decrypt the password as well. Decrypt. So you need to give it like this: bcrypt, decrypt. Okay, so decrypt is required because the password need to decrypt for hash. Okay, we are using the hash passwords, so it needs to be decrypt to make it in hash form. Okay, so $data, now here it will come new password. Okay, so finally we able to update the password. Then this time we are going to add the flash message of success. Flash, here I am going to give it success message like this, and here I am going to give password has been updated successfully, like this. Okay, so now it is done. Now we are going to redirect back the user. So we can do one more thing. We can make it common also, return redirect back. We can check once if we can make it common, like only one is required. We can just simply remove all like this, and here here we can give, we can try like this. Okay, else. Okay, here. Okay, fine. Return redirect back, this one also not required, like this. Okay, so now I am going to give the correct password here, and we are going to check 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, password correct. I am going to make it up till 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. But yeah, before doing that, one more thing we need to do. We need to add the success div as well. So I just copy paste this one, admin setting. I am just copy paste this one, copy and paste again here. Here I am going to give the success message. Okay, if that is correct, here also success message, and here we are going to give, instead of danger, we will give success. Okay, now it seems to be fine. Now we can try. I am going to refresh again because it will not pick reload. No. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, I'm going to update the password now. Now you can see the correct message is coming here. It is coming as password has been updated successfully. Okay, so now the error that success message is also coming fine, and here now we are going to check that actually it is working fine or not. First we are going to try login with that earlier password, that is 12345 6. I'm going to try with this one. That must not work, so it is not working, so it is fine. So I'm going to log in now with the new password, that is 1234567. Now I'm going to try to log in and see I able to log in. So I'm going to update the password for my browser as well. So now I able to log in into the admin panel correctly with the new password. Okay, so now able to update the password. See, we have done few things here. First we check the initial password. If we add incorrect password, then it is showing that your current password is incorrect. And if we enter the correct password like 12347, and if I type the new password and confirm password or both are not matching, then it is showing new password and confirm password not match. Okay, and if finally we give the correct current password and new password and confirm password is also matching like 123456, then it is showing us that password has been updated successfully. Okay, so also we have done HTML5 validation. It must not pick, you need to give it out. So it is asking to give some password, so that thing also done. So in next video we are going to work on admin name, mobile, and we can also add admin image. Okay, so we can also add admin image. We'll show it here as well. Okay, that will look admin more attractive. Okay, so that thing also we are going to do, and we will clear everything else. And that is the basic admin panel, that is the advanced admin panel. You can say whatever you want to say, and that can be used for any website, not only for e-commerce website, but that you can use for any other website as well. You can use for classified website, you can use for dating website, you can use for some other website. Okay, so that basic admin panel you can use for any website where you are using guards for admin, and you are going to use auth for users, and or you can also use the guard for front user as well. That also the new thing. We will see that also, like you can use multiple guard as well. Okay, so now it seems to be fine, and nothing more to do in this video. So okay, so we will also clear unwanted things in next video, and we'll continue working on that admin details. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.